In this tutorial, we are going to explore the app Firki. Firki is a teacher education portal. Firki courses provide content for teachers to develop and polish their skills in different aspects of teaching. This is done through a mix of text, images, videos, audios, and other resources. Each course ends with an assessment that allows teachers to check and review what they have learned from the course. I have installed the Firki app from the Google Play Store, and this is what it looks like. To get started with Firki, you will need to sign up. It is quite simple. An email ID is must if you want to sign up. If you have a Gmail ID, simply hit the red Google icon, select email address and get started. If you don't, then just follow the simple sign up instructions to create your account. I hope this video was helpful. Visit the link in the description box to explore more tools like Firki.